Hello mates, still reviewing civilian aircraft, private aircraft, again with Aurora brand all plastic assembly kit in 1/72nd scale, the Piper Cherokee 180. Very popular single propeller private aircraft from the 60s. It's a very strong box, very nice photograph for this popular aircraft. Let's check the sides of the box. Same cover, the same scale. Piper Cherokee 180, made in USA, litho in USA, Aurora logo. On sides the same thing, but it's the kit number 28170, and here I could see the year of manufacturing. It's 1968. Aurora Plastic Corp, West Hempstead, New York, 11552. It's the zip code. Well, nothing at the back, so let's open the box and see all the contents, original contents. Let's get the pieces out and see the building instructions with the same cover of the box. Very important to read the suggestions about to have so many details. Do not hurry, work carefully and patiently. Cementing parts. This kit is molded of styrene plastic. They are recommending to use Aurora's products like the cement. Even the prices here, 10 cents and 25 cents, and paintings, but I don't know those brands, that brand paintings, and I never seen them. Okay, checking the building instructions with easy steps, just 2 steps. The aircraft or the kit got 25 pieces, including the display stand and the water sticker paper. In the dimensions, 9.5 centimeters long by 13.2 wingspan centimeters, of course. The first step, left fuselage half, the window inside, the floor, main floor, cockpit floor, the seats, the instrument panel. No stickers or no decals about that. The second and last or final step, assembling the whole aircraft, the other side of the fuselage, with stripes, with stickers, water stickers, and the wings with made with one solid mold, the engine cowling, the propeller with 2 blades propeller, and the 3 landing gear with boots, and the display stand with the main stand leg and the standby base. With the triangle, typical triangle logo with the name of the aircraft. So that's it. Very easy to build, but it's a classic. This is the main appearance of this aircraft, completely built, mounted in the display stand. That's very nice. That's a Piper Cherokee C 180. For your new Aurora full color 44-page collector's catalog of hobby kits, you could write to the Aurora company and request that, but at this time I think there is no longer exist. So that was for that age, this nice experience. Let's check the water sticker. Very nice condition. The only bad thing is the surroundings are kind of yellowed, so I have to restore it against facing it with sunlight and get it completely white. I mean the yellowed zones should be white, but not cracked. That's a very nice condition, so it won't be ripped or get damaged when you dip it on the boiling water or warm water. Let's check the plastic parts. They are in good quality parts. You see the main wings made in one solid mold, each one, no halves for the main wings. Okay. As well, the horizontal stabilizer, the same feature, no halves. The little fuselage halve. This is the left side without the tail, and this one is with a complete tail, one solid mold. Even the fin incorporated due to the scale, and well, that's a very small model due to the scale. Very small. And the cowling, the bottom part of the cowling, the floor, the main floor, cockpit floor, the hub of the propeller in order to spin it. This is very we gotta be careful with this piece. This is the step for access to the main cabin, and the other floor in order to insert in this slot the display stand. Okay, these parts are very small. We got to be so careful with this. This is the panel control, very small. The propeller with two blades. The landing gear with boots. This is the nose landing gear. These are, or this is, sorry, the other landing gear. This is the right side, and this one should be the left side. The seats, it is all complete. The seats, one seat, one pilot seat, the other pilot seat or co-pilot, and this is the passenger seat at the back. Trans-clear windshield, very nice, very transparent, and the windows, very nice either. Well, that's it about this wonderful tiny aircraft, the Piper Cherokee 100 80. Thank you very much for watching this review, small and short review, and let's go on to the next one. See ya!